spinach, mushroom, onions, garlic, tomato, spring onions, butter, and creamy sunny. At ayan ang ating laks fish. Ayan guys. Pinaliktad ko na yung ating fish. Ang laks kasi guys, the fish laks is easy to cook. So, mga 5 minutes is done. Ayan. So, guys, yan, kamatis, bawang yan. Halong na natin. Lutuin natin siya. Salt lang natin. Pepper. And then, pampalasa. And then, mix it well. So, ayan na guys, spinach. Lagay natin ng spinach. So, ang spinach, no fresh. Spinach. Lagay yung cream. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng cheese. Ayan ang cheese guys. Para mas masarap siya. Mushroom, tomato, sibibel. Ayan, may cheese. Lagyan natin siya ng cheese. Ayan. So, and then aluin po natin to make it creamy. So, yummy. Mix it well. So guys, that's it. It's ready to eat na. Laks with creamy spinach, mushroom, tomato, onions, and garlics, and of course the cream. Ayan guys, nestle cream. And wait a little, it's ready to eat na guys. Ilagay nyo lang sa ibabaw yung fish para hindi siya madurog. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. So guys, this is it. The finished product. Laks with spinach on mushroom. Okay, danke. Tschüss.